Why do you want to be healthy?
I'd rather not have medicines or have any surgery or anything at all. If I can maintain my health, I'd like to do that.
So you don't like to take medications?
No, I don't.
And what do you, a person listening to this podcast thinks that, hey, no, like there are doctors to save us, right? If there is something.
Yeah, but my point is that if I can do something, I might as well do that. Why should I depend on somebody else? I might as well take care of myself. Because after all, it's me. I have to take care of my health. I'm responsible for myself.
I'm not going to leave you alone, okay? A person listening to the podcast will also think that, hey, there is only one life. What is the point of not enjoying biryani, not enjoying ice cream?
Enjoy. But there should be a balance. I'm not saying I never have ice cream. I do have ice cream. But I don't have it like every day or every week.
Okay, I want to have, what's your frequency of having ice cream? Dairy-free ice cream.
Dairy-free ice cream, maybe definitely once a week, once in 2 weeks.
Once or 2 weeks.
But I will look at portion. So I weigh my food.
Portion control.
Yeah.
You weigh your food.
I would weigh my food.
So I'm not the only crazy person.
You're not the only crazy person. My son also joins me in this. I started weighing my food because of him. So
13-year-old is weighing.
The 22-year-old.
22-year-old is weighing the food.
Yes.
Good. Good. How about when you go outside, where you just assume the portion size?
Yes. You have that whole hand, thumb rule and all. Yeah.
So please educate the audience about that.
I'll have to refresh my memory on that.
Please, whatever memory
I
that
think
you have.
one
One
fist is your one portion of the rice or whatever.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So any grain should be only one
fist.
Not your sambar, rasam, tair. It'll be 3 fists.
3 fists.
At the same time.
Yeah.
Your insulin is punching you with a fist.
Yes.
1 fist. What is the thumb thing? I forgot.
There is something about the oil. The oil is, I think you have to take only this much or something.
Much.
Yeah. Something is there.
Okay. So that is what you practice whenever you go out.
Yeah.
I see. So how about going out? How often you go out and eat?
So we do order out on Sundays. We don't go out very much because I think the mental bandwidth is not there to go out. After a long week, I just like to sit and relax at home.
But when you say go out, like outside food.
Yeah, outside food is once a week. On Sundays, I do order
once a week
food.
on Sundays.
Yeah.
Okay.
But again, most of it will be salad.
Outside food is salad?
A lot of it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Why? Salads are tasty?
Yes. So Asian salads are really nice. Asian food is very nice in terms of salads and
I think they're going to build a statue for you after.
So
was the only person who said we order salad as an outside?
No, so it's really nice. I mean, there are they put in lots of vegetables. There are different.
So you're breaking the
dressings.
myth that salads are bad in taste. Salads can be tasty.
Oh, absolutely. So even at home, sometimes when I make hummus. I make dips very regularly at home with. So most of my dips are also oil free. I don't generally put oil. So I make dairy free pesto. I make hummus. I make a dressing with tofu. So if you put it in the salad, it's quite nice.
Wow.